One. Hi YouTube, and back to this channel, and today we're playing some Doomspire Brick Battle. Okay. Forgot what I was gonna say, but let's go again. Let's go after red. Get the stiffy off! Really? Pick it up.
That's not.
I know. Oh my gosh! Why every time I make you?
There's one.
That's gay. Trying to make that really fun. Okay. You know what, YouTube? Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe button.
You know what?
Don't you dare.
No.
First, can I kill him? Can I kill him? Can I kill him? Man. Sorry for the pause. Just something happened. Can I kill him? Can I kill him? Oh! Oh, he scared me. I'm a noob and man, I messed up. Oh shoot. This doesn't work. Come at me, bro. Come on. Let's destroy blue. Ow. You ow. I think the bomb is invisible. Let's at least. Yeah.
Pasó que aquí la va a venir a traer y llevar a la lavadora.
What? Dirty clothes.
Bájala, hijo.
I have no dirty clothes. I think. Dang it. Alright, taking down. Green is the last one down. Can we do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? That's messed up. My dingling. Goodbye, take down blue. Wow. There's no way for me. I guess I'm with the blue team. Like, they're saying this might happen to that base. Are they already here?
Yeah.
Is my dad open? No. Wow, that is the laggiest thing that happened to me. I want to call anything. Three now. Boom. No. I could. Wow. Now I can attack yellow from here. Yes. Don't kill me. I am a hacker. If you kill me, I will spawn. I need to kill you for that. Good idea. Right there. There we go. They can't come to our base. Now I must kill them like this. I'm gonna out. Yes. Red and blue team are eliminated. Now yellow team will. Okay, there.
Start from the bottom so everything is good.
Bro, when I was in the bathroom, I accidentally found a condom.
How?
On the. Why the heck did you say that? I'm recording. Oh, I'm still uploading this to YouTube. Bro, what the heck? Say something like that.
I didn't know.
Oh, sorry.
Green?
I'm green team.
Oh.
You thought I was like red or something?
No, because then you would have not been looking.
Oh yeah. You know what? Rocket launch time.
Jump it like it's hard.
So this is what happened. I shot them so they don't get up, and I just walked right there. I'm gonna kill them. Actually, right there. Oh no. No. Come on. No, right there. I know. Matilda, I know what to do. Well, never mind. Shut up, I can do better than you won't. Yes, I can.
This is how cool is better than
The last time we were teams, I killed them a bunch of times. I have my proof. But I ain't trying this game. Really?
If I come up here and it's locked, none of them are back up here.
Wasn't me who locked it.
I don't care, did I ask? I don't care who locked it. If I come up here and it's locked, y'all aren't going to be staying up here.
I thought he came back. Stole it from the grocery store and now the grocery store.
I'm gonna.
Bro, all we need to do now is kill them. Come on. He gave out his way, but then he jumped off. We won. Oh no. Yay, we won. Celebration. I'm yellow. Yeah, I got my team yellow. Oh, dang, that took the beats. What am I doing? Killing myself. Started from the grocery store, now we on the grocery. Okay, now 5. Come on. This one. I don't see no bomb. Come on. There we go. Now this is dead. Oh man.
Every time I step in your camera comes crazy. Just make that face.
Oh, please.
Okay, the light that's on the outside. Bella was the last one that.
Oh. Yeah, she found it. Hey.
You two in here.
Yep, I killed my team. Go to the kill my team. Okay, you know what? That was not supposed to happen. But you know what? To do the hacking skill, I'm just kidding. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and put the notifications if you want more videos. And bye. Have a good time.